let's start exercise number 2, which is state whether true or false. So number first statement is we cannot see air. This statement is true because we cannot see air. We can just feel when it moves by the movement of plants and by the movement of things. We can feel that air is blowing. So this statement is true. We will write here true. We cannot see air. True. Now, number second statement is air is needed for burning. Dear students, have you remembered the experiment of burning candle? At the start, the candle was burning, but when we cover a burning candle with glass, what happened? When we covered a burning candle with a glass, it stops burning. Why? Because it needs more air to keep on burning. So it proves air is needed for burning. So this statement is also true. Air is needed for burning. True. Now, third statement is we need dirty air to breathe. Dear student, this statement is false because dirty air is bad for our health. We need clean air to breathe. So, this statement is false. We need dirty air to breathe. False. Now, number fourth statement is air has weight. This statement is true. Because by this picture of football, the football which is full of air is heavier than the football which has no air. So this picture proves air has weight. So this statement is true. Air has weight. Now number fifth statement is we cannot fill things with air. This statement is false because we have just seen and read we can fill things with air. You can see here the boy is blowing air into the balloon. So this statement is false. We cannot fill things with air is false. Okay, dear students, our worksheet is completed and I hope you all are understood very well. So take care and Allah Hafiz.